We start by opening our web browser. Just type in X2GO client, hit search, and then we go to our first search result, which is the X2GO official website. We find the link to download the installation file for a Mac machine. Then we just wait for the download to finish, which is going to take a couple seconds. Then once the download is finished, we just simply click on the downloaded file. Then it should start the uncompression process. We wait for the uncompression to finish. Then we simply drag the X2GO client logo into the application folder. And then we can run our X2GO client application. We click on it, we select open, and now the X2GO client application is running. That's it. It's real easy.